back. This is a quick weeknight meal. The secret is, yeah, I know, hold on. Thinly sliced pork. I mean, you can't tell, but this is like Philly cheesesteak thin. Your butcher won't probably slice it that thin, but you can ask them to slice it thin. So you can buy the pork butt at the store and then ask your butcher to slice it up for you. The nice thing about that is, obviously it cooks fast. And I'm not even doing it in the wok. I'm gonna do it in the oven underneath. I sliced up some really thin onions so that the fat drippings will fall on those and cook. I have it at 450 and the convection cycle if you have that. So the air is gonna circulate around the meat and cook it really fast. And I marinated the Marmara with soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce, honey, and sesame oil. All right, this is a good one too because the tang works really well with the umami of the soy. All right, we'll check at 20 minutes. This should be more than enough time. This is supposed to be a fast, and we're gonna serve. The pork ended up closer to 25 minutes because I wanted to get the edges crispy. See that? Oh, that's what we're looking for. And that was 450 in the convection. So we're gonna serve it over some rice noodles, mushrooms sauteed in soy and butter. Good friends, soy and butter. And just some bok choy for some nice green stuff. And those onions that we had underneath the pork are almost like French onion soup onions. It's just like soft and sweet. Very nice. All right, then you just kind of lay it over the top. And that's weeknight dinner in 25, 30 minutes. And I also whisked together a little nuoc cham. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, but the Vietnamese sauce, it's lime juice, sugar, fish sauce, garlic, and chilies if you want a nice sharpness to cut through the fattiness of the pork. Just drizzle that over the top. That's it. SpicyJamal.com. This is Marmara thinly sliced pork in a hot oven. Get it